Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to find your saved posts on Facebook, step by step. If you've ever saved something to check out later and can't quite remember where it went, don't worry. This guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You can do this from your home screen or app drawer, depending on your device. Once Facebook opens, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or your name. This will take you to your personal page, where you can edit your information, see your posts, and more. Now, look for the three dots next to the Edit Profile button. You'll usually find them near the top right corner of the screen, just beside your profile details. Tap on those three dots to open a menu with several options. In that list, select the one that says Activity Log. This section keeps track of almost everything you do on Facebook: likes, comments, posts, and of course, your saved items. Once you're inside the activity log, scroll until you see the option labeled Interactions and then tap on it. From here, you'll see a variety of interaction categories. Look for and select Saved. This will open up a complete list of all the posts, videos, links, and other content you've saved in the past. You can scroll through here to revisit those posts, remove any you no longer need, or click directly on them to open and view the full content again. It's that easy. With just a few taps, you can rediscover everything you've set aside for later. Whether it's a recipe, a post that inspired you, or an article you didn't have time to finish reading. So the next time you wonder where your saved posts went, just remember this quick process. Open Facebook, go to your profile, tap the three dots, choose Activity Log, select Interactions, and then tap Saved. You'll have all your saved content in one simple view, ready for you whenever you need it.